I've directed the Department of War to temporarily postpone planned strikes against major energy and electricity targets in Iran. Then you have to understand, I know my whole life has been a negotiation, but with Iran we've been negotiating for a long time, and this time they mean business.
川普才刚释出善意，强调双方已经在谈，却遭到伊朗火速打脸。
Iranian media is now saying that there were no direct or indirect talks with Trump at all. So this seems to be another claim coming in only from Washington, something that Tehran is not ready to confirm.
از هر امکانی برای تأمین امنیت استفاده خواهیم کرد و کشورهای فرامنطقه‌ای حق دخالت در این حوزه را ندارند.
美伊说法南辕北辙，台面下到底有没有谈？外界是雾里看花。
They called. I didn't call. They called. They want to make a deal, and we are very willing to make a deal. Perhaps that hasn't been conveyed. The communication, as you know, has been blown to pieces. They're unable to talk to each other.
川普强调双方真的有谈，更说荷姆兹海峡很快就会开放，并进一步提出由美国和伊朗共同控制水道的想法。而这场谈判究竟是真是假，难以判断。但对于说法变来变去的川普，伊朗人民是不再相信。
هیچ وقت نمیشه پشت پرده میگم سیاستمدارا رو به خاطر مردم ایران نیومده.
东森新闻国际中心综合报道。